Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Slack for team alignment and growth execution, beginner guide step by step clearly. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Slack. Open the email and click on the Verify email address link provided. Once verified, you will be directed back to the Slack interface. Choose a password that meets the required criteria. After setting your password, fill out your name and the name of your workspace. Select the type of team or project you wish to support with Slack. Next, invite your team members by entering their email addresses in the provided field. Once you've added your team, click on the Create Workspace button. You will be taken to your new Slack workspace. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the features available. Consider setting up channels that align with your team's projects and initiatives. Invite additional team members as needed to foster collaboration. Customize your Slack workspace with appropriate settings and preferences. Utilize the search bar to find information quickly within your channels. Download the Slack desktop or mobile app for greater accessibility. Encourage your team to engage regularly within the platform for effective communication. Review available integrations to enhance your Slack experience further. Start aligning your team and executing growth strategies through structured communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.